This is the 2019 Mazda CX-9 GT with all-wheel drive. It is a former executive demo here at Park Mazda. Your accessories include your 3M protection on the hood, fenders and side mirrors, all-weather mats, and a two-way remote starter. It has just over 16,000 kilometers on the odometer and has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine under the hood. And on the interior, you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, your power locks, and power windows, with storage along the bottom of the door. Down below, you have your power seat controls for the driver's seat. You also have your two memory seat settings as well. Your interior seating is a black leather. We'll take a look inside. And this Mazda is push button start, so we'll start it up. You can see there we have 16,216 kilometers on the odometer. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. To the left of that, you have your button for your power liftgate, your 360 view camera, parking sensor on off button, lane departure, and traction control. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls. And on the right-hand side, you have your adaptive cruise controls. On your display here, you have your AM/FM radio, as well as satellite radio, USB and auxiliary in, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your backup camera, 360 cam as well, with your front and rear parking sensors. Down here, you have your dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated driver and passenger seating. You also have your vented controls as well, heated steering wheel. This is an automatic transmission with your sport switch there, along with your HMI commander and your electronic parking brake. In the center console here, you have additional storage where you'll find your SD card slot, two USB ports, and auxiliary in. Up on top, you have your moonroof. As you can see, the interior is in great shape. You also have your auto-dimming rearview mirror there with your built-in garage door opener. And on the exterior, you have your tires on 20-inch alloy rims by Mazda. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll go to the rear of the vehicle. You have your CX-9 and all-wheel drive badges there, your i-ACTIV technology badge there. You do have your CompuStar two-way remote. So to start the vehicle up, hold down the button at the bottom. And it'll start right up for you. It'll let you know that it's started. And then to shut it off, you can hold down the button again. And to open up the power liftgate, you can hold down the button here. It'll open right up for you. You have your third row seating here in the CX-9. You have your CarPlay floor mats there, still in the bag. Box for your remote starter, power outlet behind that. Your rear seats do fold down for extra storage as well. Pull on the tab here, push it down just like that. Same with the left-hand side, just like that. And then you have extra storage space for whatever you need to carry around. And in the rear interior, you have your power windows with storage along the bottom of the door. You also have your pull-up sunshades on the right and left-hand doors. You can see your all-weather mats there with storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. You have your rear climate controls there, as well as your rear heated seats. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. In the middle, you have your fold-down console with cup holders, as well as storage there. with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. And to access your third row seating, you can pull the tab here and push the seat forward, and then you have access to your third row seating. So that is the 2019 Mazda CX-9 GT with all-wheel drive, a former executive demo here at Park Mazda. If you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.